Hello dear students, welcome back. We know that any crystal lattice is made up of very large number of unit cells and every lattice point is occupied by one constituent particles that may atom, molecule or ion. Let us now work out what portion of each particle belongs to a particular unit cell. So we shall consider the four types of cubic unit cells, and for simplicity assume that the constituent particle is an atom. So the types of cubic crystals are simple cubic or the primitive type, body centered, face centered, end centered cubic crystals. Among these, the first one is what? Simple cubic crystals. In case of simple cubic crystals, there are lattice points at the 8 corners of the unit cells, and in a simple cubic structure an atom situated at any corner of each unit cell, it is said by total number of 8 unit cells. Thus each unit cell has the 1/8 of share of every corner atom. So the total contribution of the atoms at the 8 corners, that is equal to 1, because 8 particles or the 8 atoms are at the 8 corners, then it is said by the 8 atoms means it forms 1 by 8. 8 corners of the unit cells, it forms the 1 by 8. So 8 into 1 by 8, it forms the 1 atom per unit cell of the simple cube. Okay, simple cube is also called as primitive cubic unit cells. It has the atoms only at the corners. Next, in case of body centered crystal lattice, body centered crystal lattice is what? In the body centered crystal lattice, there are 8 lattice points. That 8 lattice point at the 8 corners, and at the center of the unit cells, one atom is present. Means at the body center, one atom is present. So the atom at the center is independent of the other shell. While each of the 8 atoms situated at the 8 corners, it is said by the total of 8 unit cells. Thus the total number of atoms per unit cell is equal to 1 atom at the center plus 8 atoms are at the 8 corners. It is said by 1 by 8th. Then 1 plus 8 into 1 by 8, it become 1. 1 plus 1, there are total 2 atoms per unit cell of the body centered cube. Next, in case of face centered lattice, if the face centered crystal lattice, there are lattice points at the center of each faces. Means 8 points, 8 atoms are at the 8 corners with 6 faces consisting of the 6 atoms. Means every face that consisting of the 1 atoms. So there are total 8 atoms are at the 6 faces of the cube. Then the total number of atoms per unit cell is equal to, then each face is consisting of the 6 atoms, that can be said by the, that said between the half of the each unit cell, half of the each faces. So 1 by 2 into 6 atoms at the center of the face plus 8 atoms are at the corners into 1 by 8 at the corners. Then total 3 plus 1 is equal to 4 atoms per unit cell of the face centered cube. Let us will discuss briefly. Yes. In case of simple cube, see here, this is the structure of simple cube. The number of atoms per unit cell is equal to 8 into 1 by 8 is equal to 1. How this is? See here, the simple cube, 8 atoms are at the 8 corner of the cube. Then therefore, only 1 by 8th of an atom actually belong to a particular unit cell. So a primitive cubic unit cell has been depicted 3 different ways. So such structures are called the open structures. Here the arrangement of particle is easier to follow the open structures. So since all the cubic unit cell has the 8 atoms on the 8 corner of the cube, and So therefore the total number of atoms in a unit cell is equal to 8 into 1 by 8 is equal to 1 atom. So this is said by the 1 by 8, no? 1 by 8th atom. So the number of atoms per unit cell forms the 1. Next, in case of simple cubic arrangement, the total space filled by the simple cube is equal to the 52% of space is occupied by the atoms in the simple cube. Here the example they given polonium. Next one is body centered cubic lattice. Then a body centered cubic lattice unit cell has an atom at each corner and also one atom at the body centered. Then the body centered whole belongs to the one unit cell in which it is present. Thus in a body centered cubic unit cell, the atoms is what? 8 at the corners. Then it is said by the 8 corners by 1 by 8 unit cell. Is 1 by 8 per corner atom. It gives 8 into 1 by 8 is equal to 1 atom and one more atom at the body center. So 1 plus 1 is to form the total number of atoms per unit cell 2. So this is sharing up of atoms 1 by 8 at the 8 corners and 1 is at the body center. So 8 into 1 by 8 plus 1 equal to 2. Next, there are total 68 of the space is occupied by the atoms in the body centered cube. So here they given example as cesium chloride, cesium bromide as an example. Next, the third one is what? Face centered cubic unit cells. You know the face centered cubic unit cell. Unit cell consisting of the 8 atoms at the 8 corners and at the center of each face that can be consisting of one atom. So it can be seen in this diagram as the 8 atoms are at the 8 corners and the 6 atoms are present at the 6 faces of the cube here. See here, this red color atoms are at the 8 corners, then yellow color atoms they present on the face of the cube. So the total atoms present in the FCC is calculated as 8 atoms at the 8 corners into it is said by the 1 by 8th atoms per unit cell is equal to 8 into 1 by 8 is equal to 1 atom and 6 phase centered atoms are there into each 6 phases that can be said between the any 2 atoms per unit cell. So 6 into 1 by 2 this is equal to 3 atoms. So 1 atom plus 3 atom is equal to total 4 atoms. Therefore the total number of atoms per unit cell of FCC is equal to 4. Then there are total 74% of space is occupied by the atoms in FCC. The example for FCC NaCl, NaF, KBr, MgO. So this is very important concept. Next, last one, end centered cubic lattice. End centered here, the 8 atoms are at the 8 corners and 2 atoms are present any 2 opposite faces of the cube. So here the number of atoms per unit cell is equal to 8 at the 8 corner. Then it can be said by 1 by 8 atoms per unit cell plus then 2 atoms are at the opposite phases. It is said between the half of the 2. So 2 into 1 by 2. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 atoms. There are total 2 atoms are present in case of end centered cubic lattice. So this is all about the number of atoms in a unit cell.